Hey guys, it is FlexorHD here from ValenDevelopers. Today I'm just going to show you guys a bit of Visual Basic coding, and what this allows you to do is put a password page or login screen on your application, so it restricts the access. This is for one of the ValenDevelopers programs actually, and what I might do, I might put up some videos as we're going along to help you guys out, and yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'll show you the finished product first, because you'll have your login screen. Type your login in. Wrong password. Password is password at the moment, and you get the login chars, password protection chars, and you also get the capital lock to let you know. Then when you log in, you get a dialog come up saying successful login and whatever. And when you press OK on whatever screen, you get this maximized up, which is the actual VDI itself, so it jumps straight into it after you log in. And so yeah, that's what we'll be creating. Now I've only got 10 minutes on this recording because Microsoft Expression's in. I can't be asked to pay for the real version or find a cracked version or whatever, so I'm going to make it pretty quick and hasty, so you might want to pause the video now and again. And so yeah, okay, so let's start off. So you want to go New, Project, Windows Form, Applications, and you want this. Oh, this is in Microsoft Visual Studio or Visual Basic. It doesn't really matter there. I've got Visual Studio because I paid for it. So yeah. So we'll just call this YouTube vid. Okay, now first of all, what you're going to do is make your GUI. So for that, you're just going to want a 2 text boxes and a button. So we'll start off with a button. It's your login button. Oh, and 2 labels as well. So we'll stick the labels in. So that's label 1, label 2, and then you want text box. There you go. Make sure you put text box 1 with label 1 and text box 2 with label 2, because if not, it'll just fuck up. Okay, so into your label 1, you want to change this to username down here, and then label 2, you want password. Password. I'm just going to do this quickly, as I said. I'm not going to faff around with it. And then your button, just move this up here. Then your button 1 is going to be login, or sign in, whatever. Okay. Now you are going to want to double click anywhere on the thing, anywhere at all. It doesn't matter. And you go. Make sure you click on the form 1 itself. Alright, and then what you're going to want to do, you should have these subs here, and you're going to want to put in the middle here. I'll put the code in the description. If text box 1 dot text equals, now whatever you have in here is going to be the login, the username, so we'll put HD and probably, and text box 2 dot text equals whatever the password is. We'll just put 123 for now. And you want to and then the message, you want a message box And now what this message box is, it's the dialog that popped up and said successful login, whatever. So you'll want there. And then you get that. And then we want, what do we want? We want a form2 dot show. Now when you type this in, you're gonna get errors. Just ignore them, we'll find it, sort it out later. And then it should have put an end if in there. Oh, I did. Yeah. And then it should put a end if here statement. And then basically for however many people you want in your within your login database thing, you then just basically copy this across and do this, etc, etc, etc. You need another if statement there. Okay, so with this one we'll call it YouTube, and password will have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Okay, so now we need to make form 2. Form 2. This is going to be what comes out at the end of it. So in my case, it's going to be the video itself, or but you could have a browser or whatever you want. So you're going to want to go into Project, add Windows Form, and then Windows Form, and then you want whatever you want in here. So you can call this finished product. Oh yeah, you can also call your form 1 your login, and you can make it more fancy via hiding it up, like hiding the icon, etc. Which I'm running out of time because it's gone to 7 minutes 35 of this now, and I'm running out of time. Okay, so let's just test this and run it. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, if you won't do anything, you can play around with it. FlexorHD. Password was, what's my password? 1 2 3. And as you sign in, it's broken. Why is it doing that? That is text box. 1 2. Come on. Did I spell it wrong? Yeah, you need to make sure you spell it perfectly. Bear with me a second. Okay, I found what the problem was. It's you want to delete this private sub up the top here, and you want to make sure that you double click the button, the sign in button, and then you'll get this come up here, and you want to take this there and delete that end sub all the way up to the top and paste it in there like so. Okay, now we'll run the debug. So yeah, just to go over that again, you have to, at the beginning when I said you can click anywhere, I lied. You have to click on the actual button you've placed itself. Okay, so yeah, you click your sign in, and then this is the success. Oh shit. This is the, oh my god, this is a success dialog. Oh fucking hell. Grr. Right, so that's that thing, you can change that and do whatever. Then when you click OK, you'll have this pop up, which is whatever you want. Okay, so one thing which I worked out is that you can add it so that it encodes the password which you're typing. To do that, you go onto your password text box, and then down on the properties side, you need to go, it's password char. Now this can be anything from any buttons or whatever. The common one is the asterisks, but you can use anything from hashtags to pluses or whatever you want, absolutely whatever you want. For this, we'll just go for the hashtag. Okay, let's go and run debug. God. Okay, so we'll run that. Now when you go here, see, I'm typing, my password is 123, and there it is. But you can, you can change it to, this is the common one, which is you'll most probably want to use. Oh my god, that is so annoying. I keep forgetting to take out debug when I'm changing it. So yeah, this is the more common one. Okay, so there it is. And that is it, and I hope it made sense. Sorry about the mess up between the button click, etc. If you guys want me to do any more tutorials on anything like this, let me know, and I'll see what we can do. Also, you might want to look out, because we'll have some more stuff coming up on the YouTube in time. There'll be more videos. There might be some PS3 Modern Warfare patches, or COD patches altogether. There'll be some PC ones definitely, and some Xbox ones as well. We might actually make some homebrews as well, so we'll see. We'll see what we can do, and what you guys want us to do. So yeah, there it is. If you like this video, give it a like, favourite if you really must. But yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe.